starting new project in Ermington, on Sydney. I explained what the project is. We do the paving and artificial turf. It's a marble natural stone, 600 by 400. It's coming that way. This is the concrete slab for the pizza oven, and then we do the rainforest garden in that side behind the spa to cover the fence, and view will connect it to the park's view, the tree behind it and the greenery. Then we have the two hedge here, the high trees, shrubs, and the small boxes under to cover down. Then we have irrigation system for the garden. In the two garden we have, will be the veggie garden by the same shape and same material as the deck for the gardening. Also we need to design some plants around the existing water feature. So the first step was marking, deciding what we do, and then cleaning and leveling the paving area. This is a clay, and if it's wet it will be moved. I can't take lots of soil off the ground to move it outside by hand, but what I'm doing, I'm going lower than the level I want to lay the blocks, pavers and turf, then using existing pebbles to level it, and then we compact it by the compactor to hold the soil in the place. Then we do the mortar on top, like the covering hold the ground when we install in pavers at the same time. So guys, we start to laying pavers by this pattern. One full, one half in a line. Continuing, and the between will be the artificial turf. But I fill up half the thick of the stone. It will be 20 mil, and we can install the turf higher than the paver. I set the line for the top 200 from the deck, and then start installing to coming down, but everything here it's not matched to each other. The stairs by to the deck and the wall, and the drain need to be matched. I did by eyes. So it's a concrete mix under, and then we clean up as you can see, and then we install half here. I'm waiting for more concrete mix. So guys, this part installation done, and we're continuing through the pathway. So guys, the paving done. We washed the stones by high pressure gurning, and then we did the seal on top of it and installed artificial turf in between the pavers. As you can see there, it's cut through, and we used the liquid nail to glue it to concrete under. It's going through. You can see how it's look like. We cut around the pit. Also continuing and using liquid nail to going through the job. Yeah, you can see we continue. Looks good, fresh and clean. The slope is designed to water coming that side and also from this side going to the pit. So guys, job completed. Gardens done, planting, mulch, irrigation, concrete slab for the pizza oven, brick one, paving done. That's a vegetable garden, planting around the water feature, and under then decking, pathway in the site. This is the irrigation tap going through steps, drainage, and done.